Well, it turns out the community college scene may be recovering from a loss in enrollment that they saw during the pandemic.
The ICC, for one, says that more students are taking classes this semester, which just got underway. Liz Lape has a look at why the students are coming back.
Colleges across the country experienced a decline in enrollment during the pandemic. Community colleges were no exception. According to Community College Research Center of Columbia University, 850,000 fewer students enrolled in fall 2021 than in 2019. In fall of 2019 to fall of 2021, ICC's enrollment dropped by 20%. But VP of Marketing and Outreach Kim Armstrong says this year they're estimating a 5% increase in enrollment for the fall semester.
These are the people that are in our community that are really looking to better their career or have decided post-pandemic that they're ready to advance their skills.
Last year, they also saw an 8% increase. Armstrong credits the staff's hard work.
We work much closer with our community-based organizations. We have increased the amount of people that are in our workforce programs, so going directly into workforce or going directly into the workplace after these programs. And also, we've increased our programming.
New offerings include a construction management certificate program and a diagnostic medical sonographer degree. The construction management certificate takes just 11 months and is a little more than $5,000. About 65% of students at ICC now are adult learners, and 2,000 are high schoolers gaining college credit. Armstrong adds many students are choosing a community college like ICC to earn a certificate or degree quickly and affordably.
We're making an impact on the community because that's that many more people that hopefully are going to come out of here with a family-sustaining wage and change their life for the better going forward.
One student can agree, saying he was happy to earn dual credits in high school and attend the college after graduation.
I believe I am saving a lot of money going here. If you're unsure about what university or where you want to transfer to, this is a great starting point for you.
In East Peoria, Liz Lape, 25 News.